In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time tap on Autofill with Google over here. Now select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!